Fenty products in store for y'all. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and today we've got Fenty products in store for y'all, and I'm super excited to do this review for you guys. And also, you guys had voted on my community tab that you really liked my reviews better than like unboxings or tutorials. So I'm going to keep trying to do reviews for you guys a little more often than some of the other stuff I do. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Fenty powder, concealer, sponges, all that fun stuff. So if you're excited, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the hashtag FamJamFamily, and we're gonna get started. So first up, we got the new Fenty concealer. That's the Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Concealer. I had the shade 200. Here is what it looks like up close. There is the doe foot. It is a flat-sided doe foot. Very nice. Here's it swatched. You were not really able to swatch it in stores because my store was not sent testers for some reason, so I kind of just had to go with it. And this actually looks like my skin tone, so I don't know. I might have to be getting a different shade of this. And then I got the Fenty Beauty powder, and I got it in the shade Butter. Isn't this packaging just beautiful? It feels just very finely milled, very soft. There's what it looks like swatched. It will be perfect for me. I also got the new little sponges that she released. Wanted to be able to try those out. Here's what they look like. They're very small. So one is like this, the other one is like this, flat on bottom. This one has like two different like sides to it. I'm going to use these to apply the concealer today. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my foundation and we will be right back. Okay guys, so I got you zoomed in and I took off my foundation and everything. And I did go ahead and wet the little sponges, and they did actually grow to be a pretty decent size. So I'm kind of excited about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to see what this concealer, what the hype's about. See if it's good, bad, you know, ugly, sad. And I'm going to be using this one that's shaped like this to blend it out. It does seem to match my skin tone pretty good, but I like my concealer to be a little bit more on the brighter, more neutral tone. I feel like this concealer they picked out for me is a little bit too pinky, so I'm probably going to get a different shade. It has completely covered up my dark spots, my redness I had here on the top of my lip where I can kind of get acne pretty bad. Like I could probably just powder and like be done and not even like wear any foundation. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and set down this concealer. I feel like it has a scent. Like I don't feel like I can smell it whenever I'm just like smelling it in the pan. But putting it on, it has a scent. It has a really nice scent. I don't have any powders that are like scented. I can see a little bit of redness right here where I didn't get any concealer, but that's okay. I spread it out as far as I could. But yeah, guys, what do you think? What do you think? Think it looks good on the skin? I feel like it looks really good. And I like that this powder smells good. I was not planning on that. So yeah, guys, overall the concealer, spot on Fenty Beauty. You go, girl. And the powder is amazing. Love it. It's very fine. And I am loving this collection. I can't wait to see what she has in store for us next. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys. So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.